Hello, Shalom, and welcome to How to Pronounce and Say in Hebrew. And in this lesson of Milat Hayom, word of the day is the word diary, and in plural diaries. And in Hebrew we say Yoman, 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 Yoman. Singular, masculine, Yoman. And plural, Yomanim, 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 Yoman, Yomanim. When you were young, did you have a diary? היה לך יומן? היה לך יומן? And today, do you still writing in your diary? You will find links to other lessons in the description box below. Derived stems, pronouns, to have, to be, alphabet, practice, writing practice, and more. So you will be able to write Hebrew in your diary, ביומן שלך, או שלך. And until next time, להתראות בקרוב. See you soon.